The articles in English that we are going to learn today are a, article and article the. Now the article the is used specifically for a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. The article a is not specified. It may be something in general. For example, I may say a bus, a train, a school. We're not specifying no name of a particular school or name of a particular bus or name of a particular animal, whereas the signifies you are mentioning a particular country, maybe Japan, but we don't use articles before these countries, only if required. When we speak about the people of that country, for example, the Indians, the Americans, the Japanese, the Chinese, the Australians, we specify with the word the. Article the is used to specify the people belonging to that country. A doesn't need to specify. We may mention anything. It may be generally a garden, it can be any garden, any school. We're not specifying KLE International School, or it may be anybody's house. So we use article a in general terms, and article an is specifically used with words beginning with vowels. Today I will explain to you in detail about when article a is to be used, when article an is to be used, and when article the is to be used. A, for example, give me a book. This means that I may refer to any book. I am not mentioning Rian's book or Pooja's book or Rahim's book or Abdullah's book. I am referring to any book. So please may I have a book. There is no specific mention made that I need this child's book. So we can use article a over there. Article a is used. Article a is not used specifically. It's not used specifically, whereas article the is used to specify a certain person, place, animal or a specific thing. That's why article the is used. Article the is used to specify a certain person, place, animal or a thing. Article a is not used specifically. It is not used specifically. It is used in general. Okay, so now article a. Examples for article a. Article a is used with words beginning with a consonant. Which are the consonants, children, in English? You have learnt or you have just heard about them in first standard. You have learnt the alphabets. You have learned the English letters of the alphabet. You have 26 letters, children. We have 26 letters in the English alphabet. A up to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now in these letters we have vowels. We have vowels or vowels. They are known as vowels or vowels. And those are A, E, I, O and U. The vowels in English are A, E, I, O and U. So with these vowels you use article an. We use this article an with words starting with vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We have 26 letters in the English alphabet. We have 26 letters in the English alphabet A to Z. And out of these 26, 21 are consonants and 5 vowels. You have 5 vowels and you have 26 consonants. In the English, you have 21 consonants in the English alphabet. So, the rest 21 plus 5 make 26 letters in the English alphabet. Now, article an is used with words like, for example, a box, a kangaroo, with article A, you have a box, you have a kangaroo, a skipping rope, a bush, a garden, a baby, a teacher, etc. These words are used with article A. Article A accompanies words which begin with a consonant. And which are the consonants? All the letters in the alphabet excepting A, E, I, O and U. Excepting A, E, I, O, U are all the consonants. These 5 are the vowels in the English alphabet. Now I mentioned to you about the words which accompany article A. Now coming to article the. When do we use article the? Article the is used with a particular word referring to one specific person. For example, I call out to the boy, that particular boy. I am referring to one particular boy, maybe Ram. I won't say the Ram, but I say I want a book from that boy, from that particular boy. Maybe Rahul, maybe Amit, maybe Rahim, maybe Abdul. So I am speaking about one particular child, one particular boy. Then you have the rose. The rose is a beautiful flower. The rose bush. The rose bush, one particular rose bush. I love the roses from one particular rose bush in my garden. Then you have the blue whale. I am referring to the blue whale. The blue whale is the largest mammal. Next one, the mighty statue of you have the mighty statue of unity at Gujarat. A new statue, the Statue of Unity. It's a mighty statue. So I'm referring to one particular statue in our country, India. The raging cyclone. So we are referring to the latest cyclone that we had in which part of the country we had a cyclone, children? We had in Mumbai. We had one in Mumbai this month, and last month we experienced one in Kolkata. So the raging cyclone. So we are referring to these particular cyclones or a particular mighty statue or a particular school. My child is studying at the KLES International School. So I am referring to one particular CBSE school in Belgavi. Now coming to article an. Article an is used with words starting with a vowel A, E, I, O and U. For example, an army of soldiers, an Egyptian, an igloo, an ostrich, an octopus and an Ethiopian Airlines. So now here we use article an because these words which I just mentioned begin with vowels. These are the vowels A, E, I, O and U. So we use article and with these words starting with vowels. Then there are some rare vowels which are used. Some rare words which may not accompany article an. You have these rare words in English. Sometimes you have the word starting with a vowel, but the sound is of a consonant. For example, words like a unicorn. A unicorn is it's an animal. It's an animal which has one horn, and the horn is on its forehead. A unicorn. It seems like an imaginary, it's fictional. It's not real, it's fictional. A unicorn, or the country Uganda in Africa, the continent Europe. In all these three words, these words unicorn, Uganda and Europe, the sound is that of a consonant. The sound is that of a consonant, Y-U. The sound heard when we pronounce these words is that of a consonant, Y-U. So we do not use article an, but we use article a. We use article a with these words Uganda, Europe and utopia and unicorn. With these words we use article a, just for the reason that the pronunciation sound is Y-U. In these two examples, and maybe some others too, we use article a. And why not a and? So the reason was because of the Y-U sound, and Y is a consonant. So that's a simple reason why we do not use article an, but we use article a. So I hope you understood this topic on articles, children. It's very simple. Once you understand it, it is very simple to solve. And you have sentences in our topic on collective nouns, which has a close connection with articles. When we use collective nouns, for example, an army of soldiers, army is again a collective noun word. Then you have a family of many children. They are a family of many children. So here again we use article a. So article a and the nouns have a very close connection. It goes hand in hand. That is why I chose article soon after the topic on nouns. So they have a close tie between the two of them, and it is easier for you to understand. Okay children, now let's solve the topic on collective nouns. We'll solve the adjectives on collective nouns. And I hope you have understood this topic on articles.